Head turn setup in Moho, Smart Bone method. Add a rotation bone. In your character's head layer, switch to the bone tool. Add a new bone at the base of the head and name it Head Turn. Reduce the strength of the bone to 0. Make the bone smart. Go to Bone Actions, Window Actions, and create a new action named Head Turn. Moho will automatically link this action to the bone of the same name. Slide the timeline cursor. In the Head Turn action timeline, move the cursor to a desired frame for a full turn. Adjust the head direction. Use Transform Bone, Translate Points, and Rotate Points tools to shift facial features and head shape to simulate a turn. I'm currently positioning the nose for the side turn. I've selected the nose layer and I'm using either the Transform Layer tool to shift its placement or the Transform Points tool to fine-tune its shape. You can also adjust eye positions, jawline, and ear placement for added realism. I am now moving the mustache and the mouse to match the turn. Next, select the hat layer and reduce the fill opacity so the tracing image underneath becomes visible. This makes alignment easier. Then, using the Transform Layer or Transform Points tools, reposition and reshape the hat to match the side view orientation. I will then move the hair and the ear to match the turn. Test the turn. Exit the action and rotate the head turn bone in the main timeline. The head should smoothly transition between views based on your smart bone setup. I'm going to fast forward the video now. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to clarify. Head turns in Moho aren't difficult, but they do take time depending on how many vertices you've added and how detailed your rig is.